Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on advertisement and sales management. This is part 6. Now come to the questions. Question number 1 dash is the purpose of public relation activities to create good image of the company in the mind of the people. Options are A. Not to create immediate demand, B. Create immediate demand, C. Maintaining immediate demand, D. Start production for immediate demand. Here correct option is A. Not to create immediate demand. Question number 2 advertising allowance, incentives to salesman, quantity discount are the method of A. Retailer promotion method, B. Wholesaler promotion method, C. Dealer promotion method, D. Jobbers promotion method. Here correct option is C. Dealer promotion method. Question number 3. The first step in developing an advertising program should be to A. Set advertising objectives, B. Set the advertising budget, C. Evaluate advertising campaigns, D. Develop advertising strategy. Correct option here is A. Set advertising objectives. 4. To maintain the present customers to buy the product and encourage them to buy more is an objective of A. Promotion mix, B. Personal selling, C. Public relation, D. Sales promotion. Here correct option is D. Sales promotion. Question number 5. Dash is an element of sales promotion, includes distribution of free samples, organizing trade fair, exhibition, offers, discount coupon, etc. Options are A. Marketing mix, B. Promotion mix, C. Product mix, D. Price mix. Here correct option is B. Promotion mix. 6. If price is related to discount, then promotion is related to options are A. Retail outlets, B. Advertisements, C. Warranty, D. Attractiveness. Correct option is B. Advertisements. 7. A specific communication task to be accomplished with a specific target audience during a specific period of time is called an options are A. Advertising campaign, B. Advertising objective, C. Advertising criterion, D. Advertising evaluation. The correct option is B. Advertising objective. 8. For making advertisement more effective, the manufacturers improve dash and launch new products. Options are A. Existing products, B. Advertisement style, C. Marketing channel, D. Sponsors. The correct option is A. Existing products. Question number 9. The place where the doubts of middleman can be rectified. Options are A. Conference, B. Seminar, C. Meeting, D. Both 2 and 3 or B and C. Here correct option is D. Both B and C. Question number 10. Providing reduced price than marked price by the producer directly on the package or sometimes called cents off deals is known as options are A. Coupon, B. Price pack, C. Rebate oblique cash refund offer, D. Premium. The correct option is B. Price pack. 11. Which of the following would not be one of the primary advertising objectives as classified by primary purpose? Here options are A. To inform, B. To persuade, C. To remind, D. To make profits. Here correct option is D. To make profits. Question number 12. The product is sold and money is received in installments. No interest is charged on these installments is options are A. Rebate, B. Refunds, C. Full finance, D. Production combination. The correct option is C. Full finance. 13. If place is related to retail outlets, then packing is related to options are A. Warranty, B. Advertisements, C. Discounts, D. Attractiveness. Here correct option is D. Attractiveness. 14. A promotion in which customer had to a small amount of money together with some proof of purchase is dash. Options are A. Money based sales, B. Self liquidating promotion, C. Direct marketing, D. Point of sale. The correct option is B. Self-liquidating promotion. Question number 15. Middleman is classified into two categories. 1. Mercantile agent. 2. Dash. Options are A. Retailer, B. Buyer, C. Jobber, D. Merchant. The correct option is D. Merchant. Question number 16. The seller borrow the goods and services of different middlemen to pass the production to the options are A. Distribution channel, B. Actual users, C. Fake users, D. Wholesalers. The correct option is B. Actual users. 17. For making a large margin of profit, a person purchases goods and sell in his own name is A. Buyer, B. Jobber, C. Merchant middleman, D. Retailer. The correct option is C. Merchant middleman. 18. Middlemen perform the activities like options are A. Advertising, B. Personal selling, C. Sales promotion, D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. 19. Advertising creates employment as it increases the volume of sales and dash A. Production, B. Marketing, C. Promotion, D. Personal selling. The correct option is A. Production. Question number 20. Lower costs, greater global advertising coordination, consistent worldwide image are the dash of international marketing decision. Options are A. Standardization drawbacks, B. Advertisement regulations, C. Standardization benefits, D. Typical responses. The correct option is C. Standardization benefits. 21. The best advertisement is options are A. By emails, B. By print media, C. Television, D. A satisfied customer. The correct option is D. A satisfied customer. 22. With the popularity of satellites, phones, iPod, etc., usage of becomes ineffective, but in remote areas it is considered as the fastest way to communicate with masses. Options are A. Social media, B. Email, C. Radio, D. Television. Here correct option is C. Radio. 23. Advertising is not flexible as the message is once fixed. It cannot be altered again and again according to the dash. Options are A. Advertiser, B. Sponsor, C. Customer, D. Marketeer. The correct option is C. Customer. 24. From the perspective of sales, advertisements are required for options are A. Profit, B. Loss, C. Increasing sales, D. Decreasing sales. The correct option is C. Increasing sales. 25. When a number of advertisements are published in the newspaper in series and in regular intervals are called A. Monopoly in market, B. Feedback mechanism, C. Boosting the sales, D. Teaser advertisements. The correct option is D. Teaser advertisement. 26. Advertising is generally criticized because the cost involved in making ads are generally options are A. High, B. Low, C. Medium, D. Equal to the production. The correct option is A. High. 27. Dash and loyalty programs are wonderful and cost-effective way to stay in touch with customers when customer database is used correctly. Options are A. Social media, B. Email, C. Radio, D. Television. The correct option is B. Email. 28. Levels of differentiation, market share, product life cycle stage, correlating promotional spending and brand sales are part of dash in advertising. Options are A. Objective of advertising, B. Models of advertising, C. Evaluation of advertising, D. Developing advertising. The correct option is D. Developing advertising. 29. Advertising involves dissemination of information about a produce, service to induce people to take actions beneficial to. Options are A. Advertiser, B. Sponsor, C. Marketing manager, D. Firm. The correct option is A. Advertiser. 30. Which of the following is the most popular print media available to advertiser? Options are A. Magazine, B. Pamphlet, C. Emails, D. Newspaper. The correct option is D. Newspaper. All about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, R Classes, and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Do press the bell button so that you keep on getting the notifications of my contributions through video tutorials on different management subjects, interview questions, and developing personality and soft skills. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.